The first method to resolve error 1310 is by disabling user account control. To do this, begin by opening the Windows search bar. Type UAC and select the option to change user account control settings. Once the user account control settings window appears, move the slider all the way down to Never Notify. Confirm your selection by clicking on OK. This action will effectively disable user account control. Our next solution involves performing a clean boot of your system. Again, use the Windows search bar and type System Configuration. Open the System Configuration utility. Navigate to the Services tab. Here you will need to check the box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. After doing so, click on the Disable All button, then apply your changes and click OK. You will then be prompted to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.